Hello.
Hi, Sarah. It's so nice to meet you. I'm Emily.
Hi, Emily. I am so sorry about this morning. I could tell you a thousand things, but I just messed up. I was in the wrong email.
Don't even worry about it. I've been there 100 times, and that's why I felt bad. I saw you jump on, and then I tried to jump on right afterwards. I was like, oh
Oh,
no, I totally missed you as well. I
well, I knew I'd miss my time, so that was just kind of that. So,
it's okay.
anyways, I got shorts and I love it. Um,
Yay.
I did watch your video on it because mine ends up on the back of my head. So I
Yep.
don't know. I've only done it twice because I just got it. I got it for my nephew's wedding that's coming up, and I'm going to Las Vegas this weekend. So I was going to
Woo.
wear it outside there so I can have curls in the night. So I
Perfect.
need to get it off that back of my head. So you did say wire forward, and I can't tell you which way I had it done before. So my
Happy to help.
yeah, and my other big thing is my hair is very thick. So this is
Yeah,
just spritz. I washed it yesterday. So I
great.
layered it. So I get all kinds of little pokes out.
Poke sticking out. Okay, totally understand. We can help with that as well. Yeah, your hair is awesome. It's gorgeous, super thick. That'll be good. All right.
Yeah, it curls. I mean, like I said, it curls till the next wash. It'll stay curled till the next wash.
Awesome. Awesome. When you did it the first time or the first few times, did you do it on wet hair or dry hair? And did you
I did
like
it on sprit. I like this is spritzed,
spritz? Perfect. Okay. Yep.
but
Okay, good. Yeah, you could probably also, if you want to ever try it on dry hair and wear it overnight or something, because your hair is naturally trying to form the curl. So
right.
you have the blessed hair that's gonna just pop into a curl as soon as you put it in.
Yeah, it'll curl really easily. There's no doubt about
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I don't know if I damaged it because I have a lot of stuffing on this side and not as much on that side, but I don't think it's a big
So
deal.
with that, that happens a little bit over time. It's kind of like a duvet inside of a comforter. All
Yes.
you do is hold it on one end and you just like shake it out, and
Okay.
eventually it'll like redistribute just like a duvet. So it'll happen
Okay.
from time to time, but yeah, nothing to worry about there. The curls will still turn out just fine. So what I'll do to help with like the sliding and like perfecting the wrap so you don't get as many like hair spritzing out, I'll walk you through how to put it on and give you some tips along the way, and we'll just like mirror each other and I'll call
Okay.
things out. Cool. So to start, your hair is lightly spritzed, which is perfect, and you'll want to part it in two with both
Yeah.
sections brought to the front and like lightly brushed so that we can section off the hair. Great.
Right.
Now that's my alarm for you. I'll stop
Oh.
that. We're good to go. So I wouldn't forget. See, I have to do the same thing. And then to start, I like to fold it in half so that
Okay.
the ends are even. Perfect.
Got
And
it.
then you're going to get like a crease right in the middle. And then you're going to put it on so that that crease is facing forward. Oh, sorry, that the wire is facing forward and the crease is in
Right.
the middle.
You'll do this all day long, probably.
Yeah. And it's the end of the day on Friday. Cool, we got
Right.
this. And then one thing to keep in mind is that it should only be about like 1 inch from your hairline. So don't position it too far back, just where you normally would have a headband. Yours is looking good. Now, I'll demo this quickly, but have you mastered this step yet?
I
No,
have not.
don't even worry about it. Okay, we'll do the easiest way first then. So the easiest way is to take it off and we have it folded in half, right? And then just take one of those lengths and fold it in half again. So your headband's gonna look like this now. Cool.
Okay.
Now, are you a righty or a lefty?
I'm a righty.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is put it on so that this crease is on the right side.
Okay.
And the wire should be, oh, sorry, the wire should be facing forward. So
Right.
that kind of makes it dyslexic. So you want the crease on the right side with the wire facing forward. Cool. And
Okay.
now you're gonna put your left hand on top. And then you're gonna swoop in, but you're gonna wanna, so you're going like this. This is gonna be a
Okay.
little trickier, but it's easier if you just go in with the fingers brushing the nape of your neck. Good. Pull the hair towards your face. Yep. And then just over that crease. Great. And then I get it caught in my earring, of course.
I didn't put any on for this, so
You're smart. That's smarter than me. And then, yep, you got it. Now just use your fingers to wrap it around. Cute.
okay.
Nailed it. Good job, Sarah.
Awesome.
You made my life easy. So it should feel like a pigtail, secure pigtail. You look a little like Cindy Lou Who. All right.
Right?
So cute. And now what we'll do is we're gonna grab a front section. Perfect.
Of course, my bangs are too short for this, but that's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. They'll pop out a little bit. I normally, honestly, I leave my front pieces out normally, and then I do it just because I like to have those pieces out, but doesn't matter. That's up to you. And you're just gonna wrap it over and then under. And then you're gonna add another section right underneath the first and combine it.
See, I think I was grabbing from back too much.
I was gonna say, it's not like French braiding. French braiding, you grab back here.
Yes, that's what I
Instead,
do a lot of French braiding, so.
oh, you do? I could never figure it out.
I live in a ski town, so I ski a lot, so.
Oh, that's nice. That's so nice. So yeah, the French braids are great for that. And then you do it again, another small section, combine it with the first directly underneath. Yep.
See, I want to keep going back and not.
Yeah, you want to combine them in towards your face.
Yeah.
In front of you, and then you're going to go over and under. You got it. Yeah.
I got a little braid ends, but I can't see myself well enough, but.
It'll be easier with a mirror. You're doing really good. And now you're at the ear, so just add all of them together and pull it around. One thing to note is if you keep the headband kind of like closer to your jawline, yeah, there you go. It'll help to eliminate like a poof that can form over here.
Okay,
like
yeah,
that.
I've had the poof.
Yeah, you've had the poof. That'll fix the poof too. Awesome. Yeah, I'm looking just to see. You're doing a great job. I'm seeing if the hairs are splaying, but they look good. They look contained.
So this is like, I'm down to this much hair is also,
what you can do is like kind of rewrap that last piece around itself instead of going down. Perfect.
okay.
And then you're going to grab your scrunchie. I recommend keeping it on your wrist so that you
I
have
saw
it ready
that,
to
yes.
go. Unlike me. Do as I say, not as I do.
Right. Like you say. See, so I can feel I've got hair out.
Yep, you got hair out, and that is okay. You did a good job just securing it, which is most important. And so I'll kind of do the same thing that you have here. So if you have hair sticking out or just want to wrap it around and tuck it under, I can't fix it. I'm trying to pull mine out so I can mirror you.
It's like I almost need like more scrunchies, I feel. I don't know if a more scrunchies would help me or not.
It won't you, so let me see. Yeah, that looks good. And
Okay.
the truth is, if there's like some that's splaying out at the end, it's okay because when you do the headband look and you cross the things in the back, the ends will tuck over and fold those last splays out. So like if mine looked like this at the end, I wouldn't worry too much about it.
Okay.
Once you put it up in the headband, it'll be okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool. Now we do the other side.
The pigtail.
Where are you? What ski town?
I'm in Big Sky, Montana.
Oh, get out of here. That's beautiful. Wow.
Yes. But I had a car appointment yesterday and I had it scheduled with you yesterday and I'm like, it's a 1 hour each way. And I go, I got to do other chores when I go to Bozeman, I have to do chores. So I didn't make it home until like 6. So.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, no, don't even worry about it. I'm glad you're able to get the chores done.
Yeah.
Bozeman's beautiful. How wonderful to be out there.
Crazy.
Cool. It's gotten crazy.
Yeah.
A lot of people.
We call it Los Angeles.
Los Angeles. Oh gosh.
Where are you at?
So I'm in New York at the moment. Okay. Now, one thing to note, if it feels like it's sliding back here, go with a smaller piece in the front. So take about a piece that's like half as deep.
Okay, because I felt it going back.
Here. Yeah, I saw that. So that it's going to be a little bit like closer to the scalp and kind of locking it in there. Yep. Okay. Perfect. Close to the hairline, not scalp.
Go down, not back.
There you go. Perfect. Yep. And wrap it over and under. Fabulous. I'll call out one other thing. It's helpful if each wrap is touching the last. Don't worry about it. Yours is looking good. This will just help to make sure that the curls are each a consistent shape. Sure. Yeah, yeah. But you're doing great, honey. Good job, Sarah. Cool. But yeah, I'm in New York at the moment. It's where I grew up. So I'm at my parents' house actually, but I live in Puerto Rico.
Oh my.
normally throughout the year. Yeah. Yeah.
So totally different than my world.
Totally. Yeah, totally opposite. Once you're at the ear, recommend grabbing all the hair that's left. Perfect. And combining it together. Awesome. Yep. And then keeping the headband close to your jaw so that you don't end up with a poof. Awesome.
That's been my problem.
Yeah.
That and my French braiding.
Yeah, it's the French braiding. That's what'll do it. Perfect.
So I can see, I feel like there's a
This
lot of
side
top
is
on this
laying
one.
out more. If you want, we can take this side from the top. I feel like when I talk, I am distracting.
Is it that bad?
Sorry. No, if you want, it's totally up to you. We can take another go at it. It'll work.
Yeah.
100%.
I think it'll be
work.
fine for now, just as like I said, next time I'll have a mirror in front of me.
Yeah, the mirror will help. And I'll send you a copy of this recording, unlisted YouTube video link, so that you can rewatch it in case it's helpful for anything to just kind of see. Fabulous. Yep. And so, yeah, you can just wrap it around and then just tuck those ends in. I'll try to mirror it here, but just wrap it around and tuck them in.
Right.
Pull one end of this down, this
Yeah,
one.
that's kind of what I've been doing. Okay.
Yeah, there you go. And then you can twist to tighten it. And that'll set tighter curls, and it should feel like it's kind of suctioning onto the head a bit.
Yeah.
Does that feel better?
Definitely. It's still a little back, but not like it has been.
Okay. We can take it from the top again if you want. I'm happy to, if you want to make sure you got this down. Totally
No.
up to you. Okay. I
But
think
so-
if it feels like it's sliding, I would say that first section, keep it closer to the hairline and smaller, and it'll just be like your lock. It'll just lock the headband in so that it's more here than here. And that should help. Like we did on the second side. And then to tuck it, to cross it, I bring these to opposite sides. I switch the hands, the one that's on top, I just tuck it under. And the one that's under, I tuck it over. But you can really do this any which way that you like. It'll nailed it.
Awesome. It's a little bit back where a headband would be, but it's definitely way better than it's been.
Okay, good. I'll take it. That's awesome. I'm happy to hear.
Yeah, I'll take that. I mean, this is so awesome. You do this yourself. I mean, this is amazing. But,
thank you. Yeah, it's
a
awesome.
great product. I'm looking forward to buying more.
Yay!
Yeah.
Happy to hear it. Happy to hear it.
Get
Are
all
there
my
any
colors.
other colors or anything else you would want to see in particular?
I would probably do a darker burgundy.
A dark
wine.
burgundy. Okay,
I'm
yep.
cool. I like cool colors, so I would do like the jewels blues and a burgundy.
That I love it. Okay, stay tuned. They'll be coming then. They'll be coming. I wanted the burgundy this year. It was on our pipeline.
Yeah,
But it's now
I
next
definitely
year.
wear cool colors, and so the jewel colors, the blues, and I don't
Aw,
know which green, but the red, jewel red would be pretty.
I love it. Okay, thank you. We'll
Thank
pass it on
you.
to the team. My pleasure, Sarah. And if you have any other questions, reach out anytime.
Awesome, I
Happy to
will.
visit anytime. Yeah.
Hey, have a great Labor Day weekend. Take a
Thank
day off.
you. You too. You too.
Yeah,
Have
thanks.
a wonderful long weekend. And
Thank you.
thanks again for being our girlfriend. Bye,
Okay, thanks
Sarah.
again. Bye-bye.